Hello world, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl C of Cycling Crochet. So guys, today I'm taking you straight to Wal-Mart in Aberdeen in St. John's. Yeah, so Wal-Mart has got a variety of yarns available and hooks as well as tools and everything for your crochet work. Okay, so anytime you're close to Wal-Mart, just enter into their shop, look for the arts and crafts lane, and you are good to go. So guys, this in Aberdeen, Wal-Mart in St. John's, specifically Aberdeen, and yeah, so let's go to the arts and crafts. Here we are. Okay, so we have a lot of yarns available. Okay, so these yarns, most of them are quality. In fact, I'll say all of them are quality. Yeah, so we have the Bernard's yarns. Okay, very soft. There are some that I really don't know their names, but they are really soft for your project work. Okay, so all those people that need cozy outfits, you can just purchase any of these for it and you are good to go. Okay, so look how soft this one is. Very soft. The color too is very nice. Yep, you have multicolored ones. Okay, let's go to the other side. Okay, so each of these yarns have their own price tag. Okay, so you have the smaller ones here, the smaller yarns, in case you want just small yarns for your small project work. This is what you have to go in for. So Bennett's yarns are very good. Yeah, so this one is small hard. They have different ones also. Okay, then this is for baby, so it's very soft. You can see how the texture is very soft. Okay, so they have acrylic yarns, they have cotton yarns, they have polyester, they have so many different types of yarns. So you just need to look at them very well. So this one is very fluffy for your sweaters, your blankets. Okay, so very soft and strong as well. Okay, so this one is 300 grams and very big. Okay, so you can use for your work. Yeah, so look at it. You have different yarns available. Okay, so these are also the ones for thin threads. Okay, so in case you want to join your crochet outfits, or you have your granny squares and you want to join them, just with the available colors, you can just take one and just join them together, or you can have your hand stitches. Okay, so you have beads and other decorative items for your work. Okay, so I don't know what this one is for, but well, they are all for decorative, so you can use it to decorate your outfits and do all kinds of things. So I have this one. I don't even know what this one is also, so but they are all for decorative things. Okay, it's for your crochet works. Okay, so we have bangles over here and lots of them with different colors. Okay, so yeah, I think this is the mats that we use for you can use your yarn to decorate it or something. I don't know, it's a kind of canvas or something. Okay, so we have this one too, from Love, for babies. Okay, so this one too, very soft. It's for baby because babies, their skins are very sensitive, so you need a softer yarn for them. And this way you have, yeah, of course you can use it if you're an adult to Those are very soft and very cozy, very comfortable. Okay, so we have this one. This one is acrylic, but it's still soft and nice. Yes. Let's check this one. Whoa, this one is very big for babies. Very cozy, soft. I love it. Okay. So each one of them has their prices tagged to it. Okay, and their sizes also. So this one is yeah, this one too is different. Look at the brand, and it is 1020 yard or 932 meters. And 454 grams. Okay, so with this you can use it for so many projects. Yeah, and you have the multicolored one, which is a bit bigger, also for babies. And yeah, there are lots of them available. There's lots of them. I mean, when you get to Wal-Mart shop, their arrangement is the same, so you get varieties of yarn available. You get all these things at Walmart. Okay, so whether you're in the UK, you are in Canada, you are in US, anywhere there's Walmart, just get into any of their shop, look for the craft yarn, and you see crochet ones as well as knitting. Those of you who are good with knitting, they have your yarns available as well. Okay. Bennett yarns. I think they have a lot of Bennett yarns around. Yeah. This one too is cotton, 100% cotton. Yep. So they have a lot. They have a lot in store. Oh, look at this one. So beautiful. Multicolored yarn. Very beautiful. Yep. It's acrylic. Acrylic yarn. Very nice. Okay, 141 gram. It's okay. Yeah. Okay, so I think most people have taken that yarn, so it's left with one in the shelf, but they'll fill it up very soon. Okay, so these are for the black lovers. You have the gray. Yep. Okay, so all kinds of colors, all kinds of yarns, all kinds of textures that you need. Look at this one. Premium. Very nice. $5. So nice. Oh, so here are the hooks. Yeah, crochet hooks. Okay. Variety of crochet hooks, sizes, depending on what you want. Okay, so you have the bigger ones, you have the smaller ones, like these ones. Yes. Then you have the one with the, yeah. Okay, so each one of them has their price tag, so you just have to select the one that you want. The yarns, so we have these types available. The cake yarns. Okay, and this type for your lace work. Okay, so very crochet threads is very thin for your thin work. So, oh, and we have the white one, big one. Okay, so this one can last you like forever. Okay, so those are interested in lace work. This kind of yarn that you should be looking out for. Oh, and the knit lovers, these are your hooks. The hooks, different sizes, different brands. Okay. Okay, so you have a lot of them. Yeah. We have the knitting loom. Yeah, sorry. Knitting loom. Cut this one too, very nice. Wool. Okay, this one is wool for your wool. very quality. This one too, the same wool. It's wool, but it feels so good. It really feels very good. Okay, it's not hard. It's thick, but it's soft to feel. I like this one too. 97 meters. Okay, look at this one, multicolored. Very nice. 59 meters. Wow. Very nice. Okay, so for your blankets and any other projects that you want to make. Oh, I think I'm in love with Bennett yarns. I mean, they've got great textures over here. Cool. Okay, let's check this side too. So we have thread, different colors for your stitch works. Okay, for your stitch works, you can get any of them. Then we have dyes. Oh, so if you want to dye your work, you can. We have some over here. Oh, we have sewing machines and sewing threads and beads, rings, a lot of things for those interested in bags and other things. We have bottoms here, different colors, different sizes for your bags. Yeah. We have hooks. We have glue. We have anything for your artwork. Okay, so you have zips around any length or any inch that you want. Scissors. Okay, fabric glues. Oh, gun glues. Okay, so any of your artwork, just walk into Wal-Mart and you have all these things available for you. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give me a like, share my video to others, and guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.